Hey guys, I'm just making a quick video here. I was having a bad day lately. We can play. Excuse me, you can't show that to children. Did I just saw a sus TV woman? Guys, but there's a lot of screaming in this video, so be prepared. Mm-mm. Mm. Bye. Okay. I was scammed. I wasn't paid for that. Okay. 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 What should I do here? Okay. Guys, but I got banned in the third time. Well, no. Actually, I got banned for the time. I got banned. That. I lost all my Ubers. I can't summon! I can't summon! I can't summon! I can't summon. Oh, this is true. I can't summon. I can't summon. Hello, I can't summon. No, I can't summon. I can't summon lately. No. What is this? No. I got one more ship. Whatever. I can't beat this. Cause I got banned. I got banned. For just saying bad words. Like why? I need to restart my game. Why? Why you have to do this? Where is my cat? I can't summon. I can't summon. I can't summon. Okay. Oh no. What? I can't summon! What is it? Yeah. What? Right here. Yeah. Wait, I can't do nothing. Oh, yes, I can actually. Let him. Okay. Hey. I would rather go. Oh, yeah. 60. Trixie. Oh my god. Still not done. I got triggered. Got triggered, nigger. Ah! What did I done? What do I do? 400? No. This one? Well. Okay. Yes. Are you kidding me? No, no. No. Hell no, no. Yes. No. Yes. Cat army versus cows? Hope there's more. There's more. Ah, there's more. Yes, that is. Oh, daddies? No? I can't beat this! Ooh! What was going to do? What, sir? What? 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 Okay. Alright, bye guys. I got to go. I need to go somewhere. Bye.